Want to present at the Authortube Writing Conference, the AWC, but not sure what to do? Let's break it down. Hi, I'm Shannon, writing under the pen name SD Huston, and I'm joined today by my partner, Jenna O'Malley. Let's talk about what you can present at the AWC. Presentations will be comprised of seminars, workshops, or panels designed to offer valuable insight and knowledge to aspiring writers and authors falling under the umbrellas of writing and publishing.
A seminar can be seen as a class, a lecture, or a tutorial on a topic. A workshop can include the presentation of your own or others' writings and an intensive group discussion of the work. A panel can either be an intense discussion among multiple members on a topic or a group of people who discuss and make decisions on something like audience submissions of query letters, pitches, opening paragraphs, cover designs, etc.
Workshops and panels are different from a seminar in that more than one person will be involved in presenting information. The person who hosts the workshop or panel is the one who submits the form as the speaker. All other members will need to be added as co-hosts. Can I be involved in more than one presentation?
Yes, but you can only host once. So that might mean you host a workshop or a panel on your YouTube channel, and you co-host on one or more other YouTube channels. What kind of presentations does the AWC already have?
Currently, we can only share the presentations of our special guest speakers, all of whom are giving a seminar on their topics. Here are their seminar titles. Keith Wheeler with Self-Publish, Traditional and Hybrid, Oh My.
Mandy Lynn with Simple Steps to a Profitable Book Launch.
MK Williams with So You Want to Self-Publish Your First Book?
Rachel Lockman Singh with A Writer's Secret Weapon. Master the Art of Titling Your Story.
Sarah Cannon with Planning to Thrive.
Shaylin Bishop with The Forgotten POV, using second person. You can find all of our guest speakers on YouTube, of course. Each of them has a wealth of knowledge in their specialties.
Still not sure what to present? Here are 10 ideas asked for by the writing community. 1. Release day is coming. What ducks should be in a row?
Self-editing, where to start and how far to go, while providing examples.
3. A workshop on formatting for self-published works.
A workshop on beats for genres.
5. A discussion panel on the hero's journey versus the heroine's journey.
A panel on all the punks, steampunk, cyberpunk, general information, etc.
7. A panel on making your own language.
A panel on how academic research methods can be used for writing fiction.
9. The technical side of writing. Punctuation, sentence structure, dialogue, grammar.
Tense in storytelling. If you want to be part of the AWC but not present, you can join our street team. Watch the video Calling for a Street Team to learn more about how you can help this awesome event become even better.